Congrats, si
Mrs. Lorna Giroy.
nasa Panakan, nasa church.
Mr. Edriel Giroy.
Nasa ano? Pas.
Miss Jocelyn Gopetillo.
Naguli na.
Miss Rhea Bacan.
Ray, congratulations. Congrats.
Mr. Alexi Fernandez.
That is me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yan, maraming empleyado yan eh. Maraming empleyado yan. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations
I got my
again,
certificate.
everyone.
I was the one who called. Pass, picture taken pa pa sa lahat ng members with the
So
guest.
in behalf of Emmanuel Baptist Church, we are grateful to our brothers in the Gideon City Camp.
Yes, happy ako.
Of course.